Frustration and disappointment are part of life, but they don't have to dampen your spirits. By making some simple behavioral changes, you can enhance your mood and overall experience. Regular exercise for at least 30 minutes 5 days a week boosts endorphins and norepinephrine, which can improve your mood, while a balanced diet rich in B vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids supports well-being. Prioritizing quality sleep, typically 7 to 9 hours, can also help regulate mood. Reframing negative thoughts positively, smiling often, and listening to upbeat music can further uplift your spirits. Engaging in hobbies, meditating regularly, and keeping a gratitude journal can contribute to a positive mindset. Strengthening social connections and volunteering can enhance feelings of belonging and improve self-esteem. Finally, performing random acts of kindness can quickly elevate your mood.